welcome back to another gameplay video. Today we are going to play Free Fire. Okay guys, there is a challenge. Speak only English. My friend gave me the challenge to speak only English. Only English and Hindi. If you want Hindi means you can speak. Okay, I accepted that challenge because I want to win that challenge. Okay guys, only English challenge. I thought someone came. Bomb. Okay. I need a guns. Okay, I do not got any gun still now. P90 enough, cheap. MP40 ammo enough. Hey, come down, Dre. Why you are going up? There is another gun. Wow, enough for me. I can easily make a booyah. Okay, guys. Now we are going to the search of enemy. Where are you, enemies? I'm coming for you. Where are you, enemies? Okay, Jason, when you got enemy, you say me. I'll come and kill that fellow. Okay, he looted the full. Oh, sorry, I did not shoot the gun skill now. See the stars with 3 stars. Oh, bhai! I did not saw you, Ray. Jason, there is enemy. Jason, there is enemy. He, I thought, where is that fellow? Head down. Yes, one kill. He did not have any gun, I think so. Oh, car 98 he has. Take the car 98 sniper and come along with me. There will be another fellow by nearby. Where is that fellow? Array, there is a squad, Jason here. Jason, there is a squad. If you come, we'll do the kills. Come fast. Come fast. I can't snipe. Oh no no don't array he's fired up. Miss. Jason give me the cover. Jason give me the cover. Have you understood what I said? Wow head. Super head. Array there is no bullets now. What I will do? Hey come on Must do you are. Hey Moore. I want array there are no bullets in say both guns. For MP5 I need MP40. I love MP40. I need some bullets. Oh god. Come, we'll go. And I need bullets, just one for MP40. Where it will be? Take me fast, fast. Okay, I'm sitting like. Wait, bro. Okay, you take that car. I'll take this and drive. Okay, the zone has synced. It is coming. Just one. Nothing. Oh no, there is no blood. Okay, I'll keep my blood. Okay, where are bullets? I need some bullets. Where are bullets? I need some bullets. Where are bullets?
You bro, 1 minute. Stop it.
Okay, this is. Okay, this
Yeah.
bullets only. Yes. 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 I got my bullets. Now I am going. Combo for sitting. Come and sit. Yes, we'll go for a huge ride. Okay, guys, I got 3 kills. Jason got nothing. Oh, who is this Nani? He's my school friend. Okay. Okay, guys, we can make a booyah. 19 members alive means 17 members alive. More they will revive them. Easily we can make a booyah. With any cost, we should make a booyah to win the challenge with Nikki. Okay, guys, today only I'm speaking English. Still now, anyone did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. We should reach 1k subscribers till the year end. Okay, subscribe down, like, share, what you want to you do, guys. But support my channel. That's enough. Okay, there are no enemies, so we should forward the video. Yes, yes, there is an enemy I saw. Arre, what happened? Re? Wait, something happened. Wait, something happened to my mouse. That's why I did not got the to kill. Must you are just miss.
Must loot. Must loot. Level 3 bag.
You kill there one boy.
No, this boy.
I have here one more boy. I killed him.
Good.
Okay, more loot is there in that loot. No, okay then. Come, we'll go.
So, no.
Come, we'll go. Come, we'll go.
Wait, coming.
There is another car by. Hey, wait. Copyright. Okay. Okay, I'll just miss for the copyright. I got 4 kills. Where are the another guys? What gun is there in my hand? Okay, MP40. Okay, guys, we should do the video fast forward. There are no guys to kill. Arre, yes, I'm going to the search of guys. Okay, what is the time right now? I should upload a video. Okay, leave about that. Okay, 8:30. Okay, guys, 8:30. Wait. Go fast. I want enemies to kill. Go. In the drop, there will be one enemy at least. There are, there are one enemy. There are one enemy. Buffalo enemies. I got one fellow. No, I did not got. Oh, John. I thought I got someone. Okay, leave about that. Okay, there are no enemies. Just one. Hello, just one.
Bro, come near me, bro.
Coming, bro. Where the medkit? Where are you? Where are you, bro? Keep any mark. Okay, backside. Okay, I'm coming. Wait. Up means this vehicle will get up. I have some doubts. Where are you? You are somewhere near the zone. Vammo. Okay, I'm coming like a Bahubali. Bahubali. Come, get in the car, get in the car. अरे नो रे भाई क्या है रे भाई तुझो के there is enemies Jashwant get down Jashwant get down there is an enemy here I got one fellow but I don't want to take risk this is a booyah match so I don't want to take any risk just I want to escape Jashwant be careful don't come with me I am going to die come give the revive for me there is one fellow I'm going to dash that fellow now Oh, no, no. Arre, Joshua, come fast. Arre, no, re. Jason, backside if you the revival points are there. Go back and give the revive. Otherwise, kill that fellow. For my loot is 10. You have FF coins? Then go. Go fast. Go fast. I'm going to die. Side of you, side. Back. No. Backside he is. No, Jason, don't take any risk. Careful. Don't scope. That's not the enemy. Okay, that's the enemy. Backside if you also one enemy is there. He's killing you. Go backside of the FF coin box and take blood and give me revive. Fast you give. Okay, thank you. Just I came to my world. Okay, 14 members more alive. 3 watching. Okay, where will be the must loot? Where is just one there? One more. I want some loot now. From where I can take. Bro, come fast, bro, near me. We should do booyah with this match. Wow, I got nice loot. I will not use AWM. Okay, backpack also I got. Thompson is there. Jason, come fast. I'm waiting for you here. Okay, come fast. Okay, guys, just we have killed 4 kills, 11 alive. I
Three
have died
kills.
3 kills. Congrats.
Bro, you want anything? Come here.
I want one AK.
Okay.
AK, yes. Give me fast.
No, there. Thousand
Thompson, no.
SKS.
No need. Come, we'll go.
Order.
No need, come, we will go. When enemy spotted, you just leave the bike and shoot on enemy. I'll try to dash him. Okay? There is any enemies? Where blood? Okay, you have blood. Good, very good.
No medikits.
No medikits. There is a enemy. Oh God! Just you kill that fellow. Just you kill that fellow. Come fast and revive me. I'm going to die. Come fast. So I am so frustrated, guys. Jashwant, global. Ah, revive. Blood only for me. It is not there, guys. Jashu, medkits.
No, bro. I also don't.
You also don't have. Then kill that fellow from where he's shooting. I don't want to die.
Oh, bro, come on, bro.
From back he bet na, bro.
No, bro. Come on, bro.
Oh no, 7 alive. Chi. God damn it. Okay, guys, I think so. This video is very well. Okay, this girl will go die. 100% she will die. 3, 2. Wait, we'll see this girl will die or not. She will not. Die. 100. Yes, I know. I know. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you in another video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. That's it for this video. Bye bye.